Marhaban, ahlan wa sahlan bikum. In this lesson, we're going to be working on page 38, and the subject matter is dual adjectives. On page 36, we have learned the dual, the any and any ending. On page 37, we have learned dual demonstrative pronouns. Now on this page, page 38, we're going to put all three together and we see what happens when we are converting a singular noun to dual together with adjectives. Now, هذا بيت كبير. هذا is your demonstrative pronoun. It is singular. بيت, a house, that's a singular. كبير, adjective, big, is also singular. This is a big house. Now, next is, let's make it dual. هذان بيتان كبيران. These are two large houses. Notice هذان, your demonstrative pronoun, is ending with the any as a default, and بيتان also matching that with the any ending, and adjectives also kabirani. Now, when you move from default of nominative ani to genitive or accusative with the ending aini, you say hadaini baytaini kabiraini. All matches all the way through. Now, you will learn later on about what we mean by accusative, nominative, and genitive ending. That is coming. Now, that is masculine. Now, feminine example is قطة. قطة is a cat. هذه قطة صغيرة. This is a small cat. هاتان, remember, هذه becomes هاتان in the dual. You have this lengthening alif. Although we say it in هذه, but we don't write it. We say it in هذا, but we don't write it. But here, dual of هذه, you need to physically write that alif after the ha. هاتان قطتان صغيرتان. These are two small cats, and that's nominative. Now, genitive or accusative any ending becomes هاتين قطتين صغيرتين. So that is the basis, and that is the example for you. You basically use that pattern to write a sentence which has a demonstrative pronoun and a noun as well as adjectives. Now, to confirm all these practices, we're going to do exercise 30 on page 38 together. Let's do that orally. That's the practice really, and that will be also to practice your vocabulary. Now, number one on this exercise 30 is a thin boy. That's been done for you. Waladun nahifun. Waladun nahifun. Duo will be waladani nahifani or waladaini nahifaini. Next is a small girl. What is a girl in Arabic? Can you remember? A girl is bintun. So you say bintun صغيرة. So your adjective will be feminine as well. And duo bintani صغيرتان or bintaini صغيرتين. Next, number three is an open door. What's a door? A door in Arabic is babun, and it's masculine. Open is maftuhun. Babun maftuhun. Babani maftuhani or babaini maftuhaini. Next is a train, a fast train. What's a train in Arabic? Can you remember? Start with qaf. قطار. So قطار fast, سريع. قطاران سريعان. قطارين سريعين. Well done. If you are following that, inshallah. A tall male doctor. doctor male is طبيب طويل, that's tall. طبيب طويل, طبيبان طويلان, or طبيبين طويلين. Next one. A thin nurse. What's a nurse in Arabic feminine? ممرضة. ممرضة نحيفة. ممرضتان نحيفتان. ممرضتين نحيفتين. Next is a new bag. What's a bag in Arabic? Bag is حقيبة. حقيبة جديدة. حقيبتان جديدتان, or حقيبتين جديدتين. Next one. A black pen. What's a pen? Pen is قلم. قلم أسود. Remember the أسود pattern is you are not allowed to put tanween, double vowel. We learn that. أسود, you will say. قلم أسود. قلمان أسودان. قلمين أسودين. A red car. Car is سيارة. سيارة حمراء. Use feminine. From أحمر becomes حمراء. سيارة حمراء. سيارتان حمراوان. سيارتين حمراوين. That is coming more explanation about that particular adjective. Next is a green apple. تفاحة. تفاحة. Then green from أخضر becomes خضراء. تفاحة خضراء. تفاحتان خضراوان. تفاحتين خضراوين. Now we have a slow tortoise. سلحفاة بطيئة. Duo سلحفاتان بطيئتان, or سلحفاتين بطيئتين. Now this concludes the exercise 30. So please go and do this exercise in writing for me, and that will be a good practice for you, as well as all the previous vocabulary. Try and use them in both singular and dual. Good luck and well done. أحسنتم. Goodbye. مع السلامة. إلى اللقاء. في أمان الله.